Okay, welcome to page 44 of your homework, page 2 of your homework. Example 1, 3 sharps, time signatures 3, 4, G clef, treble clef. 3 sharps is the key of A. We know it's going to be 4 bars, and we know that it starts on do. Here's your scale. Okay, let's listen. Did you catch the last note? Did you hear how it's just do for the whole bar? Try to get all the rhythms done and listen to that last note. Here we go. 1. So let me show you my little ticks that I do. I do these little ticks at the top. Let you know that everything's a quarter note. Quarter, 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 quarter. Dotted half. And dotted half is going to be on do. So that's a dotted half note, okay? I want you to start hearing do to sol and sol to do as a thing that happens all the time. The very beginning is da, da. Do, sol. Okay, let's do it again and then listen to the second to last bar. Bum, 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 bum. There's do. Here's what is the fa, do. Here comes the bride. Fa, mi, re, do, 2, 3. That's the second to last bar, yeah? What's fa in the key of A? A, B, C, D. D, C sharp, B, A. That's your second to last bar. This goes right down the scale, right? So beat 3, bar 2 is this note. Sol, fa, mi, re, do, sol. That's E natural. Sol, fa, mi, re, do, 2, 3. The beginning, what's the beginning? It's kind of all over the place. Do, sol, re. So beat 3 of bar 1 is re. So this is what I have so far. Do, sol, re. What is this and this? Da, 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 da. There's do, and what's this? Do, re, mi, do, mi, do, mi, do. Let's do it again. With these examples, you are welcome to pause this video whenever you want and work and do it until you can hear it. Okay? Let's go to number 2. We have 1 flat, bass clef, C, common time. 1 flat is the key of F. Okay, this is cello. Here's your scale. Starts on do, 4/4 time. Let's listen to how many bars we have. 2. Here we go. 1, 2. So what do you have? How many bars? And furthermore, what happened at the very end of this example? That's just a big fat do at the very end. Whole note on do, the same exact note that we started on. What's the rhythms? Let's figure that out. Here we go, and half, half, okay, what'd you get? I got half, quarter, quarter, half, quarter, quarter, half, quarter, 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 whole. Let's try to figure out some of these notes now. Oftentimes I tend to work backwards. So the second to last bar here, da, 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 da. Here's your last note. So it's high do, which is 2 ledger lines. Do, do, what is this? Do, do, so, and then what is this? Da, 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 mi. So it's do, do, sol, mi, do. Beginning is do, ba, do, sol. Told you to start listening for that. That happens all the time. Do, sol, and it goes to here. What's that? Let's go. Here we listen. Do, sol, mi. That's the first bar. It's half note, quarter, quarter. Then here, bar 2. What is this? It's re. So do, sol, mi, re. Listen again. Do, sol, mi, re. Do, do. Here it is. Da, da. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Do, sol. So here we go. Listen again. Ba, this is bar 3. Da, da, da. Then half note, quarter, quarter. Where's do? Do. So it starts on sol and it goes down the scale. Sol, fa, mi. One more time. Here's your answer. Let's sing it. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, sol, mi, re. Do, do, sol, fa, mi, do, do, sol, mi, do. Okay. Next example, melody number 3, bassoon, bass, clef, 2 flats. What key is that? Take the second to last flat, so the key of boy flat, B flat. Cut time. Cut time looks like 4/4, meaning there are 4 quarter notes per bar, but it's really 2 half notes because the beat, the click you're going to hear is going to be the half note. Okay, Here's your scale. Let us count how many bars. One, here we go. 1, 2, 3. So where did it end? First of all, how many bars did you get? 7. Put your key signature in and your time signature, by the way. Give me 6 lines, 6 measure lines. 3, 4, 5, 6. It's hard. You got to squish it all on this one. So it ends on, it starts on do. Where does it end? Believe it or not, it's a whole measure of do. I know it's hard to believe, but it's true. I told you a ton of these examples do that same thing over and over again. There's stuff in the middle that just sounds like going right up the scale. Okay? What's the rhythm? We have half, whole, half, 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 half. This example starts with a whole note B flat. It ends with a whole note B flat. What's going on rhythmically in the middle? It is all half notes. Boy flat, key of boy flat. Do, and it goes to here. Right, the second bar is do, sol, and then what happens? It goes to here, which is me. Half notes there. Do, sol, mi, scale, 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 repeat, here, down there, and here. So, what happens right before the very last do? La, na, na. That's sol, sol, do. Sol, sol, do. Listen again. Sol, mi, do, re, mi, fa. Sol, sol, do. What's going on in the third to last bar? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars in. See, I'm not going to give it to you. Let's see if you can figure it out. Here's your answer. Let's try to sing this together, please. Do, here it is. 1, 2, 1, and. Do, sol, mi, do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, do. Moving on, number 4. I already told you on your homework, it's the key of C, 4/2 time, and I told you how many bars already. Gave you a couple of clues on this one. Well, it did the whole first bar for you. So how many half notes per bar in 4/2? There will be 4 half notes per bar, and there's 6 bars. Key of C. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Do, do, sol. That's a scale right down the scale there. Right up the scale. So you see how I gave you that very ending of C on a whole note? Well, that's only half the bar when you're in 4/2 time. There's going to be 2 whole notes per bar. Listen to it again. So you hear the first interval. Do, do, sol. Then it goes up here. So do you hear how all these first 2 bars just dance around do's and sols? Listen to that again. Do, do, sol, do. the rhythm. Let's figure out the whole rhythm, okay? Please. Here we go. We have a half and a half and a whole. Half note, whole. Hear it again. Do, do, sol, do, do, sol. What's that note? Da, da, da. So it's da, da, da. Here's do, mi. So that's a high mi, okay? E natural, top space there. Let's go back. That's bar 3 and 4. Mi, mi, re, do, keep going down. And then I give you the next mi on bar 5. Let's see what we got. Bar 5, it goes right up the scale. So it's mi, fa, sol, la. And then what happens? Do, 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 do. Sol. And it goes up here. Sol, do, do. There it is. Maybe we can sing along with the recording. Here we go. Ready? Do, do, sol, do, sol, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, do. Okay. Next example. Number 5. I didn't give you anything except I gave you key signature and time signature. 3/4 time, 3 sharps. Write down your first note. It's on the computer screen. It's an A natural. I would say, here's your scale, and then we'll count measures. Okay, let's count our measures. 3, 4. 1, 2. Here we go. 1. Okay, a couple things. Count the bars. That was 8 bars. And where did this example end? I want you to be able to catch both of those things in one listen. So set up your bars now. It ended on do for a whole bar. Listen to that. Okay, make your dotted half on an A natural at the very end. Put a double bar at the end too. Maybe think about the rhythms of all these. Here we go. Quarter. Did you hear the sol, la, ti, do at the very end? Sol, la, ti, do, 2, 3. So with the note, bar 4 is an A natural. 30 beats long. Okay, start the beginning again. So right there. Ba-do-do-do. What's that interval? Ba-da-da. Re, do. So the very beginning is all quarters. Do, mi, re, do. Okay, this is that again. Da, 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 sol, mi, my body lies over the ocean. Sol, mi, re, do, 2, 3. So that's the whole first half. Do, mi, re, do, sol, mi, re, do, 2, 3. Okay, start from the beginning and let's go on. What is this note? Where's do? Do. So it starts here. Mi, sol, mi, sol. Here's do. So it goes mi, sol, fa, mi. So mi in the key of A is a C sharp. Mi, sol, fa. Then this mi is a half, right? Half note. So it's quarter, 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 half. Okay, listen one more time. There it is. Let's try to sing this, okay? Don't try to sing it. Sing it. Sing it beautifully. Here's do. 1, 2, 3. Do, mi, re, do. Sol, mi, re, do. 2, 3. Mi, sol, fa, mi. Sol, sol, la, ti, do. Don't ignore singing the example when I ask you to, because you'll be scrambling to write all your answers in. Just sing along with me. I really, really, really believe in it. Okay, 2 more to go. 3 flats. Take the second to last flat. This will be the key of E flat. 4, 8. So that's interesting, right? Put your key signature into your homework and your time signature. 4, 8 is 4 what? It's going to be 4 eighth notes. So this first note was bass clef as well. So the key of elephant flat, this doesn't start on do. And this quarter note has 2 beats, because if the eighth note is your beat, this is like a half note, you know, it's 2 beats of this measure. Here's your scale. And let's go. Let's figure out how many bars. Here we go. We have 1. What happened at the end? Same thing that happens almost every single time at this level. It's do, 2, 3, 4. Trying to like give you all some kind of tricks to grab the rings in the ceiling, or grab whatever you can as quickly as you can, because it's being able to hear it, but it's being able to hear it in a timely manner. So the last bar is do, and it's 4 beats. Do not give me a whole note. That's not what 4/8 is. If it's 4 beats in a 4/8 time, it's only a half note. Here we go. Try it again. Try to figure out the rhythm. So I got my slash method going, and every time if it's 4 ticks, that's going to be 4/8 notes, not quarter notes. Don't screw this one up. And in the book, when they have 2/8 notes together or 4/8 notes together, they tie them to make them neater. So don't have like 4 flag 1/8 notes. You're going to have to do some tying to make it look more neat. So we have. Half note. It's right there. Ba, sol, mi, do. So sol's a quarter, and then mi is an 1/8 note, and do is an 1/8 note. So I have quarter, 1/8, 1/8. Let's figure out some more rhythms, please. Quarter, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, quarter, 1/8, 1/8, bar. Da 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 6 la da la sol la ti do, right? That's right. La sol la ti do. So C, B flat, C, D, E flat. So we have sol, mi, do, mi, fa, sol. G, A flat, B flat. From the beginning. Sol, mi, do, mi, fa, sol, do. So right there, it's do, do. Those are 2 high dos, 2 1/8 notes, okay? Arpeggio. Do, do, sol, mi, sol, sol. Eighth, 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 quarter. Da 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 da. La, sol, la, ti, do. All eighth notes. Go back. Here we go. So, mi, do, mi, fa, sol, do, sol, mi, sol, la, sol, do. Da, da, do, sol, mi, do. Just go do, sol, mi, do. Let's listen again. I'm on best bar 6. I'm trying to figure out. So bar 6 I think is a little hard. Do, sol, mi, sol. It's a low sol. Do, sol, mi, sol. Those are big jumps. That's a really hard measure to hear, I think. La, sol, la, ti, do. This is a hard one. Look at this thing. Let's listen. Follow along. Challenging. Let's go to the next one. One more to go. Good job, everybody. Please try your hardest to do the work. If you think I'm talking too much and I should just be quieter, then I guess what you should probably do is just you be responsible to pause the video whenever you want so that you can really think and you can really hear. My approach to teaching this class is always, how do I hear it? Because I don't know how you hear things. I know that some students hear things differently than I do. Okay, so whatever. Bass clef. Ooh. Oh, okay, so I did number 6 in this video. So we're going to change at number 7. That's probably why I skipped over it, because it was really hard, but now it's in the video, so we've done it already. So change that second to last example to number 6. Sorry about that, but we did the work now, because number 7 is way easier, but I don't have it in the homework, so don't worry about it. So let's skip over to number 8. Your professor should pay better attention to her music examples that she pre-chose. 4/8, look at this, we have a rest. The very first beat's going to be a click with no note. 2 sharps, put your key signature in, please. And then good old 4/8. How many bars? Let's listen to our scale. Here we go. How many bars? 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay. So that's it. It's just 4 bars, but it's fast. Da, da. At the very end, I hear do, do. Did you hear that? Listen. Just the end. 1, 2, 3. Those are 2 quarter notes, not half notes. These clicks are eighth notes. That happens a lot. Even that last the 4/8 before this, I was struggling. I'd hear 2 beats and I would put a half note. I'd have to color it in and remember that it was a quarter note. You have to write in this first bar as well. I did not do that for you. Sol, mi, sol. Those are the first three notes. Do. Hear that? Last two bars I'm going for, or the second last bar. Mi, re, ti. Sol, do. I had the right notes, but I had them on the wrong rhythm. So the mi, the high mi is actually beat 2. Mi, re, ti. Then it goes do, do at the very end. Again. So the beginning is sol, mi, sol. That's do. From that do, this beat 1 of bar 2 is do on the 4th line, and then it goes right down the scale after that. Just pause it if you need. I want you to have to really work and try to hear these things. I have it already, but I want you guys to make sure you understand it. Sol, mi, sol, do, ti, la, sol, do, do, my body. So it's a 6 right there. Sol, mi. That's the big jump on the first 2 beats of bar 3. Sol, mi, re, ti, do, do. One more time. So there you go. There's the homework for this week. Good job. I hope you're working hard. Let me know if you have any critique and you have any better ideas on how to do these classes, okay? Thanks, everybody.